Have you ever tried to focus, but your mind just wouldn't listen? It wandered off, like a butterfly in the breeze, or a monkey swinging through the trees. This is the story of a boy named Aarav, of dreams too big, a mind too loud, and a lesson that helped him find his calm again. In a small town where the stars shone clear, lived a bright little boy with curious eyes. Aarav loved asking questions. He built tiny machines from broken toys and dreamed of becoming a great scientist someday. But Aarav had one struggle. He couldn't keep his mind still, not for a minute. He would sit with his books, and his thoughts would fly away. One moment, he was imagining a rocket ship. The next, he was worrying about something he said last week. An hour would pass, and he'd barely read 2 lines. Have you ever felt that way? Wanting to focus, but your thoughts just wouldn't let you. His teachers noticed. His parents gently reminded him, "Aarav, please try to concentrate." His friends tried to help. But Aarav didn't know how. Exams came. His marks dropped, and with them, so did his confidence. One evening, Aarav went to see his Dadaji, a kind old man with silver hair, and a calm smile that felt like sunshine. He sat beside Aarav and asked softly, "What's troubling you, my child?" Aarav's voice cracked. "Dadaji, I try, I really do, but my mind, it runs away like a wild horse. I feel like a prisoner inside my own head." Dadaji didn't say much. He simply handed Aarav a glass of water and said gently, "Walk around the garden, beta, but don't spill even a single drop." Aarav blinked. "That's it?" Dadaji just smiled. So Aarav walked. Step by step, carefully, he tiptoed over stones, ducked under branches, and kept his eyes only on the water. He didn't hear the birds singing, didn't feel the breeze, didn't see the butterflies dancing. He only saw the water. When he returned, Dadaji asked, "Did you enjoy the flowers? Did you hear the squirrels chatter? Did you notice the sky turning gold?" Aarav shook his head. "No, Dadaji, I was just watching the glass." Dadaji smiled. "Exactly, my child. That is what focus feels like." "Our mind," he continued, "is like a monkey, always jumping from branch to branch, thought to thought. But when you give it a task, a clear, small goal, it stays still, just like your eyes stayed on the water." Aarav's eyes lit up. "So, if I give my mind a job, it will stop running wild?" Dadaji nodded. "Yes, my son. Focus is the rope that calms the monkey mind." From that day on, Aarav changed how he studied. 1 page at a time, 1 idea, 1 tiny goal. And when his thoughts tried to run away, he took a breath and gently brought them back, like guiding a friend. Home again. His mind became quieter, his focus grew stronger, and slowly, so did his confidence. The boy who once chased his thoughts now knew how to guide them. Let's learn the words Aarav came to understand. Focus, paying full attention to just one thing. Monkey mind, a mind that jumps around with too many thoughts. Task, a small job you give your brain. Confidence, believing you can do it. Calm, a peaceful feeling inside when your thoughts are still. Now I want to ask you, does your mind sometimes feel like Aarav's, jumping from place to place, worrying, wandering? Next time that happens, pause. Take a deep breath and give your mind a task, a rope to hold on to, because you're not alone, and you're stronger than your thoughts. If this story helped you feel calm or reminded you of someone special, share it with them. Let's help every child, every parent, every teacher understand the power of the mind. And if you want more heart-touching stories like this, subscribe and grow with us, 1 story at a time. You got this.